Good morning, everyone. Grade 8. This is Mr.Gamal with vocabulary, Unit 6. This is, if you have the workbook or the booklet, it's page from the passage on page 38 and 39, and the vocab item, page 40, 41, and 42. All right, as I told you before, we deal with meaning or understanding or guessing the meaning of the vocabulary through the context, not only memorizing definitions in that mere boring work. You have to read the passage first on page 38 and 39 and try to guess the meaning of the bold typed word if you have the booklet. If you don't have it, it's okay. You can learn from the vocab definition direct, as I'm telling you now, and then you will move part by part with me till we come to the end, and you'll have exercise and games on it to support your work and check your understanding. Anyway, this is the vocab list of definitions, all right, to memorize and study. This will be your homework for the time being. You will study them all, the 20 words. But I'll tell you the way. First, take it in parts, not all together. Divide your work, the 20 word definitions, into 4 or 3 or 2 parts according to your ability. All right? For example, you take the first 5 words together, memorize them. You help yourself or someone helps you to memorize them, or someone tells you the word and you tell the meaning, or the vice versa, whichever. And after you finish the first 5, another time or another day, take the next other 5 from 6 to 10. All right, you memorize these together. All right, and then you check your memorizing or studying the 10 together, all of the 10, from 1 to 10. Another time, you take the vocab definitions from 11 to 15. From 11 to 15, this is another part. And then you memorize and study them. And so, take the whole together, all the vocabulary together, from 1 to 15 in one time. All right? And then, in the end, you come to the last part from 16 to 20. These are another 5 words. And after you finish them, you memorize or you revise the whole work, the 20 words together. If you have better than this in memorizing vocabulary, you can divide them into 2 parts only. 10 words, all right, and another 10. That's all. And after you finish this, I'll give you now, after we finish this together, I'll give you internet site to work on, to check your memorizing or studying through games, through exercise of definitions. This is our first part for today. All right, let's start with the vocab definition together. Number 1, atone. Atone. To make up for, like compensate. When you atone something, you make up for something else you have lost. All right? Bondage. It comes from the word bund. You know bond? Like something tying your hand or so. So bondage is like slavery. All right. 3, credible. You know the word credit card? It comes from credit, or cred, the original word. Credit, something you trust. So credible, it's related to this. Believable or trustworthy. Okay, defray. This is verb. To pay for. When you defray the cost of something, you pay for it. Diligent. All right. Hardworking. When I say a diligent student, a diligent businessman, a diligent teacher, this is hardworking person. All right. Number 6. Doleful. This is sad or dreary. He had a doleful face. doleful expression in his face. All right, this is doleful. Ghastly, frightful or horrible. Someone has ghastly nightmares, ghastly hallucination, or the ghastly illusions, and so on. Ghastly, something horrible. Hamper, this is verb, to hold back or to stop you from doing something or stand in the way. Number 9, hew. This is to shape or to hold. Let's take the to hold to hew to rules. To hew to the school rules means to hold to the school rules, to stick fast to them. All right, number 10, impoverished. See the word, it comes from poverty. Remember poverty? State of being poor. So impoverished related to this. Poor, when I say they are impoverished, they live in an impoverished state of life. Impoverished, this is poor. Incessant, never stopping. Number 12, intricate. It's difficult to understand. Lucid, easy to understand. It can be opposite words, intricate or lucid. Together they are opposite. Posthumous or posthumous. This is happening after death. All right. It comes from see this prefix, post. What do you mean of this prefix, post? Post like after, like postgraduate studies after. Post, all right, post-war, and so on. It is after. So posthumous or posthumous means happening after death. All right. Prim. This is very neat. Something is very neat and carefully done, or very clean. This is prim. All right. 16, sardonic. Mocking or sarcastic. All right. Sardonic smile, sardonic behavior, sardonic words. This is sarcastic. 17, superfluous. When you say superfluous words, superfluous piece of work, this is extra or excess, exceeding what is required. Not necessary, not required. It's extra work or extra part, superfluous. Supplant. When it comes from what? The original word plant. Okay, supplant, to take the place of. When you supplant something, like you plan something instead of something else. All right, to take the place of. Taunt, to jeer at or mock. When you taunt your someone's way of talking, or way of action or mannerism, you are jeering at him, laughing at him. All right, this is taunt. Tenacious. This is persistent or holding fast. All right, when I say the police have to be tenacious in their pursuit or their chasing the thieves and robbers, this is tenacious, holding very fast or determined very well. All right, this is the end of vocabulary. As I told you, divide them into 4, 3, or 2 parts as you like, according to your ability. And then after 2 days, or say 3 days, after you finish studying them, come now to exercise on the net so as to support your work or check your memorizing and studying. All right, this is the site. Look at it. sedlearconnect.com/vw/vocabularyworkshop.com. All right? Or you can very simply write sadlearnconnect.com/VW. You will find it. It gives you a variety of books according to levels and grades. All right? Grade 8, we are dealing with level D. Level D. That's it. Yes, take care, you have to choose the unit. This is unit 1. We need unit 6, right? The frame or the margin of the page is smaller. I can't move it. But anyway, level, you'll find here the unit numbers. Here is unit 1. You'll find here unit 2, unit 3, 4, 5, 6. This revision, 7. All right. So this is 6. All right. Number 6. So this is the unit in this part, in this point. Unit 6. Let's click. Yes, this unit 6. See this? Now we have 2 games to work on. They are the best in my point of view. Hangman and test your vocabulary. All right. Let's start. I only show you how to work with it. Test your vocabulary. That is the face of the page. All right. It's like a game, but take care, it's by seconds. You have only a few seconds to answer. Complicated. What's complicated? Credible, intricate, posthumous, diligent. So intricate. And submit. Oh, we are behind time. Slate. All right. Another trial. Sad, credible, doleful, sardonic, trimmed. Doleful. All right. And submit. Yes, right. This is the way. A third one. To shave or cut down with an axe. To cut down. What cut? Fray, attune, supplant. To cut down. Supplant? Maybe. Wrong. So I'm only trying with you, acting your place. Anyway, the wrong one, it will come again. Overly neat, proper or formal. What's neat? Yes. Prim? Okay. Yes, right. And so on. All right. The ones you choose wrong or you answer wrong, they will have another chance to answer again. All right, in the end. All right. Another game or exercise. Hangman. Hangman it has some very interesting thing that it helps you with the spelling as well. So it can support your spelling or activate your work in the spelling. The word with the spelling. See this? Here are the alphabetical letters in order, right? And this is the definition, okay? And these are, these are the number of the letters of the word. So the definition is to make a mess. Oh, sorry, this is unit 1. I have to choose unit what? 6. Go back. Take care of this point. You have to choose the unit first. Yes, unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 6, right? Choose 6. This unit 6, yes, hangman. Yes, unit 6. Make sure this is level D, unit 6, right? The vertical words in order. the definition of word, to hold back, and this number of letters required for the word: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, hold back can be what? Remember? Hamper. Yes, hamper. Try to be not necessary to be quick, because it is not by a few seconds. Hamper with H. H. Yes, that's it. Hamper. Ha. Yes. M. Hamper with the M before N. Yes, this one. Ham. P. Hamper. E. And R. Hamper. Yes, good job. It's correct. All right. Let's come to see if there is a mistake in our work or in our answer. Let's see what will happen. The word is sad. Let's wait for the picture to appear. Sad. This is a man eating. Sad. Remember what the meaning of sad? It's how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Maybe credible? Let's try. A wrong one, I know, but let's see what will happen. Credible? C or C? A, B, C. Yes? It's wrong, because your mistake take away part of the man's food. He will die of hunger if he continue this way. Remember this. All right, so try to find another one. Maybe a tone. No. Ghastly. Try ghastly. You will kill the man if we are wrong. And try. Oh, wrong. Think again. All right. Sad. What another adjective? Yes, doleful. Very good. Let's try. Doleful. Yes, it's written. The first letter correct. Doleful. O. Where is the O? Yes. O. Dol. L. Yes. See what happened? Here is L, and it helps you with another L at the end. So when there's another letter repeated, it helps you with it and put the letter in the suitable place or the correct place of it. Dol, E, full, F, U, doleful. All right, where is U? Yes, that's correct. All right. Yes, good job. All right, very good. This is the way. You can continue the same way around with the 20 words, and when you answer wrongly, one word or two wrongly, you'll find them repeated in the end again. All right, good luck. Thank you. Have a good day. And remember, this is your homework for this time. You have 2 days to do it, to memorize the vocabulary, and after you finish, all right, I'll work on exercise with you, or exercise in the booklet, or exercise on the net. We'll see together, all right? Have a nice time. Goodbye.